75-inch tall. So this is tall. It is the beautiful garden trowel wind spinner. It should be about $129. We're doing it for $79. Love that. So you're up $50 off the retail value. 5 easy payments of $15.80. And actually, when I saw that retail value, I was like, if that was in a cute little boutique, it would be a lot more than $129.
Yeah,
so I'm
and people would buy it.
Of course. You know what? That's it. People would buy it because it's awesome.
And people buy things that cost that much because they don't want something that looks like it came from a big box store that everybody else has.
Of course.
So you're not going to find this anywhere but here. And we, decided we wanted to do a spinner. In years past, I've purchased these large spinners occasionally from QVC, and they still look great in my yard. I was talking with Pat this morning, and she said the same thing. There's one she's had out there for years. She never brings it in. It still spins. It looks great. So I didn't want one that looked like a flower or a bumblebee or something else that you've already seen. So we thought, what could we use? And we all thought at the same time, how about a garden trowel? Because it looks like, a little
it actually
propeller
makes sense.
or a pedal.
It's the perfect little wind spinner design, right? It's like ergonomically or aerodynamically, I guess you'd say, correct, really. So it catches just the slightest bit of breeze and
it also
starts
scoops
moving.
up the sunshine
It's sweet.
for your garden.
I'm going to stop it for 1 second and show you the two colors. This is what we're calling multi. And so you have the sunflower in the center. And it's such a beautiful sunflower with the
kind of like my logo and then all my colors.
And layered leaves here, so it's not flat. There's layers of, so you can see here, layers of petals. And then, all of Carolyn's colors. So we have like that indigo blue, the aqua, that beautiful yellow, that kind of watermelon pink and red. That's the multi.
Yeah. And then we also did a galvanized over here, similar to the little silhouette animals with the lanterns. So this one, if you want something that is not so colorful, you've got that sunflower in the middle and then the galvanized. This looks more like that sort of farmhouse, vintage kind of a look that's so popular
cute
right now. So the assembly is easy. It is a little over 6 feet tall. You're going to attach the two propeller ends. You don't have to assemble these. There's 2 of them. You just attach them with a screw to the T-bar, and then that fits into the top of the pole, which attaches in a couple of different pieces. You just screw it together, and then on the bottom we have a 3-pronged base. So it's balanced all the way around, so it's not going to tip over or blow over or come out of the ground. So it's very, very sturdy. It's all done in powder-coated metal, so it is outdoor safe, won't get all rusty and yucky.
I realize these garden trowels were designed for this wind spinner so that they pick up the breeze even more. But when you just look at it, it looks like, oh my goodness, how clever, somebody made a wind spinner out of real garden trowels. Now they were created for the wind spinner, but they are sized right. I mean, it really does look like some artist saw garden trowels and thought, I got a great idea.
And it all goes back to what I wanted my collection to be, something you would find at a little, cute little shop, one and done, nobody else had it, and you brought it home from vacation or something.
Right. And you were like, it's always that piece where you're like, it costs a little more, but it's worth it.
Or somebody made it by hand.
Yeah, guess what? You're getting it home for 5 easy payments of $15.80. It's totally weather safe, so this can, of course, you want to put this out there, spin in the wind. It's captivating, it's show-stopping. And Carolyn, I love the idea of putting this someplace outside that when I look out my window, I can see it.
And it'll also spin around. So each one of them spins, but it'll spin in the wind, and sometimes you'll look outside, it'll be like that. And then you'll look out again and it'll be facing forward because this part also spins. And it doesn't need a lot of wind to spin. You might think, I have to have like a huge storm come through to blow it, it's so big. No, just a little breeze will blow it. It rotates very easily.
Well, actually, and it keeps going. There's no breeze in here. Now, I did push it with my hand a while ago, but I'm amazed at how it still continues to spin, just even with no breeze in the studio. I think those trowels, as cute as they are perfect.
Yeah, they're the right
for
size
keeping that motion going.
So put this where you'll see it, because put it where your neighbors will see it. This is one of those things that someone will slow down and drive past your yard and think, well, what is that? And oh my gosh, is that a spinner made of garden trowels?
It's really
How
cute.
clever is that? So show it off. It can stay out year-round. Think of this in your garden when everything is sleeping and looks like twigs. You'll have a nice pop of something happy going on out there, and this will, survive the winter as well as the spring and summer.
And if you have a really big planter, now it would have to be bigger, because this is obviously a sizable piece at 79 inches, you could also put it in a planter, find ways to, if you just have a deck and you don't have a lot of yard space, ways that you can still enjoy this beautiful art. But look at, I mean, you can see just sticking it here, how it completely changes the look of a lot.
Yeah.
Especially in neighborhoods where every house looks the same. It's really nice to have things that make your house feel unique.
I just think this is fantastic. Nobody else of any other brand has ever done this before. We thought of it, and you will be the only ones to get it. You can't get this anyplace else. And if you have other of the large spinners that you purchased on QVC in the past, this will look great with those as well.
Of course, because I know you're a fan of some of those brands, like our Plow and Hearth brands.
Absolutely.
They make great wind spinners. The difference is here is that it's the same great quality that we stand behind, but designed by Carolyn and her Girl Next Door team, so you have never seen anything like it. Here's your multi. So bright and happy, puts a smile on your face. And then we have the galvanized, which is equally beautiful and will match back to those great animals we did holding the lanterns.
And last year we found, with the feedback we were getting from customers about our wind chimes and other things that came in a choice of either a solid metal or a multicolor, there was about half and half. So about half the customers liked it without all the colors, and the other half liked it with the colors. So it's totally up to your personal choice.
And it just depends on what, you know, what looks good with your house. I love the multi. It just puts a smile on my face. I feel like if I'm going to put a wind spinner out in my yard and see this art, like I want to go there with all the joy. But I do think the galvanized is so perfect. Like I think the galvanized would be beautiful if you had like a brick house, right?
Sure.
It'd be just gorgeous.
Or maybe you have, you know, a lot of greenery that you're going to put in the background of this, so the multicolor would be great. If you have a lot of color, then get the galvanized. I sent a spinner. I'm going to send my mother this one, but I sent her a spinner in the past from QVC that's this size, and my dad put it together, and it's out in the corner of their backyard. It's been there for years. Every time I look out their kitchen window, it's spinning. And I know Mom sees that too when she's having her breakfast coffee. You know, it just makes you happy. This is a great garden gift for someone who maybe doesn't do their own gardening anymore, but they still enjoy their outdoor space.
Yeah, last year I was in Santa Fe, and there's a really beautiful hotel there that was started by an artist. And when you go out into the grounds of the hotel, they have all these amazing wind spinners. And, you know, people come to look at them, and it is a big wow. You can create that same feeling in your own home.
Absolutely.
Like, and here's how you do it with these beautiful pieces that really don't have to cost a fortune to get these gorgeous, lovely art pieces home. 5 easy payments of $15.80. Whether you are an avid gardener or you grow nothing, everybody can enjoy the wind spinner.
And it'll take you about 15 minutes to put it together. It's easy. We don't send instructions that you have to decipher with a secret code or ring. You know, this is something that is easy to understand and easy to do. And the big wow and the impact is totally worth it. I mean, you'll be so glad that you have this.
They're really cool. They're really, really cool. So M99605, the wind spinner, has a retail value of almost $130, like $129. We're doing it for $79 on Easy Pay, $15.80.
And this is something that even like you know, we have the American flag in our front yard on a large flagpole, and I always love to get creative with what I'm going to do with pots of flowers around the base of the flag, or if I'm going to plant something in the ground. You could do the same thing with this. So, you know, think of maybe you could get your pots of coral roses, or you could do something with, you know, even annuals like some petunias or something, and do a color pop all around the bottom and just have like a whole sort of centerpiece in one section of your yard.
If for nothing else, when you have people over, if you can say to them, oh, my house is the one with the big wind spinner that looks like garden trowels, just that right away. They're driving down the street, oh, that house, okay, there it is. But it is beautiful, it's art. And Carolyn, I do think, you know, we put so much time and love into the inside of our house, choosing the right accessories, deciding what to hang on the wall. Do the same thing outside.
Of course, and you spend, you know, the summertime and the spring, you spend so much time out there. Spring is where you're putting it all together. Summer is where you enjoy it. You've got friends over, you're having a, you know, glass of wine on your Adirondack chair, maybe it's the fire pit, and then you've got pretty things like this that surround you. And
you know, we do a variety of wind spinners here at QVC, but this is really the sweet spot, the 75 inches tall.
Yeah, a little over 6 feet tall.
So that is, I mean, that's the size that you really do see. And then it's also about 2 feet wide and 2 feet in diameter. So you really do see this from sitting in the kitchen window, anywhere where you're looking at. All right, don't forget about our Tilt-A Swirl Hydrangea. It's been very popular. 5 easy payments of $6.60 with free shipping and handling, and that's going to ship to you in a big 1-gallon pot.
Awesome. Thank you, everybody. I'm so proud of my collection this year. We've got lots more to
should
show
be.
you. In fact, we have